So you guys can't believe I found a hairstylist at 8,000. So you can see snow and it's so serene. If that stupid motor would shut down, it would be really, really serene. But yeah, it's a zen moment. Whoa. Crazy. Oh my god, my ears are popping. Did you just say you don't like it?
I don't know, it's like in a good way. I like the fun cakes.
Thank you. So the most important thing when you're at high altitude, drink tons of water. Trust me, this is water, sparkling water. And second thing to do when you're at a high altitude is do hot tea. I mean hot tea. Wow, the moon, the sunset.
I remember when one time
Let's go
we
jo bolte hain, the shafaq. The snow, the moon, the clouds, and the pink hue. And we're actually above the clouds. Okay, so I thought everyone was gonna make fun of me, but I was right. They're gonna have fun looking at me because they know they're not prepared like I am. This robe, everybody's digging this robe. Trust me. This is the look when you go on the high altitude. Super cat? This is super cash. Outline cash.
And then no, it's icy water. Anyone want to drink it?
तो जब इस तरीके से पहाड़ में जंगल में निकलेंगे तो बहुत सारे जानवर आपको पकड़ के खा सकते हैं. Okay, on a more serious note, ये वाले जानवर आपको पकड़ के खा सकते हैं. Oh, but this looks like such a cute bobcat. ये जानवर देखने में तो बहुत मासूम है. दिल चाहता है उनको प्यार करो, पेट करो. लेकिन इनकी मासूमियत पे मत जाइएगा. Trust me, ये हॉक हमने रियल में उड़ते हुए भी देखा है. भी हम अपने स्टेट पार्क को सपोर्ट करने जा रहे हैं और ये सपोर्ट का तरीका ऐसा है that kids say that it's a lot of fun. Okay, I have some money here. Okay. Okay, so we're back now. A full moon night in this disco tram. Nothing more prettier and nothing more romantic. I swear.